Welcome back to project number 2. I think we were calling the late model project number 1. This is project number 2, my project, a 1990 Spec Miata for SCCA racing. So right now we just got it out and it has a few things that need to be fixed. So it needs to be painted. There's a few things with the brakes got to fix, make sure all fluids are replaced, everything with the suspension is hooked up, because a lot of like the sway bars and stuff like that were just put on, not really tightened where they need to be. Not real sure what we're doing with this. What do you mean? I thought we were replacing the brake loops or the brake. Dude, what I'm saying is I'm not real sure like the details, okay? We're just gonna go along with the flow. And once again, you have any helpful comments, anything you ever messed with a 1990 or an NA Spec Miata, leave a helpful hint down below. Probably going in over our heads here, but we're gonna go road course racing, and that's fun. We're using this new wireless mic setup, and I have no clue if you guys can hear me or the dog, but can you even see my face? Oh no. But that thing's very low.
What thing is very low?
The camera's on, I'm like laying down. So we're replacing the master cylinder, and it has a leak right underneath. Got to replace it, and that is kind of the first steps. That way we can have brakes in this thing. It stops if you're like rolling it out of the trailer. You can stop it, but driving it, no. And I need to test this thing and drive it, because if I'm being honest, while I know how to drive a manual. What? I really hope this thing's filming in a dual channel, so whatever you're saying isn't like on a single track.
I know, that's what I was wondering about.
It should be set up to record on dual channel.
Okay, well, you may want to repeat what you did, and that way later.
This camera's very low, so it probably looks weird. But we have the master cylinder today we're going to be replacing. It's not a how-to video, it's just a racing vlog as we're getting this thing prepped. We'll be doing some maintenance.
Well, you may want to go over the like what it is, because some people may not know what it is.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I barely know what it is.
Yes, so we have a 1.6 liter. So the Neon, for example, is a 2 liter. But this thing still is beefier than that.
Cause
Mazda and that thing.
Well, that's a Dodge.
Yeah, it's a Dodge. But this is not for a dirt track. This is for road course racing. We'll be racing Road Atlanta probably the most through SCCA, maybe NASA. I'm signed up for SCCA right now. I'm not registered with NASA. Which not NASA as in SpaceX competition, but NASA as in...
Do you even know what it stands for?
I do not know what NASA stands for. I did. But...
You don't even know what NASA stands for.
I don't even know what NASA stands for as in space. It's like National
Space Aeronautics.
National Space Aeronautics? That's NSA.
Oh, yeah.
It's NASA. Okay, now we're just sounding stupid. It's not going to be the fastest. It's not going to get us any wins. It will teach me racecraft.
You don't know that. It could get you a win.
Everyone's running.
Hey, nobody thought, even I didn't think we could win in the Neon.
There's a bigger bowl here.
Yeah, if you even put it... Well, it's dripping in there.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Well, that's...
Oh, that's not.
It's running straight down this. So that it doesn't matter. Yeah, if you can fold that around.
Nope. Okay,
we'll wipe it, because that's what's caused all that rust. Oh, yes. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. So while I do know how to drive a manual, but I don't know how to heel toe, to be honest. So we're trying to get this thing where I can test it and heel toe. I'm not going to blow it up. I know what I'm doing. I've done it on iRacing, but that's totally different, and that's with paddle shifters. So I'm not using that as like a base. Well, I'm using it as a base, but not like what actually happens.
All right, you ready to pull it out?
pull what out, like put it in this. All right, that is the master cylinder out of there. Okay, real quick, the late model, what we're using as a workbench right here. The engine, still technically in it, it's getting taken out. I know if you guys haven't seen, we have a couple videos getting it ready to come out. More in the future as we're continuing to work on getting it out and getting one back in. That's where we're at on this. Plan is for next season, late model Miata to be getting raced. That's the plan. No real front wheel drive racing, I don't think.
Oh,
Unless something happens.
not smart.
You're just not smart at all.
I know. So basically, one thing on these master cylinders is you basically have the front and rear lines. Then you got the main master cylinder part right here. And this is what was leaking up in here is these little grommets. Oh, I'm like looking. Anyway, these little grommets right here are what was leaking. And anyway, so that's what we had to replace. And then also we have no brake lines. No brake line pressure until it finally hit the floor. So we're going to have to re-bleed them. But this all looked good. It's the main master cylinder. It was leaking there, and then it was leaking that little screw right there underneath. And just drifted all over that late model tire. I'm going to hold this level. You take that 10, and you just kind of twist it in there. Now, hold on. Let me get it level. Because we don't need... Okay. Once it goes, we'll be fine. Okay, we're going to put this on, get this all secured, and then we'll put those other lines in.
While we were bleeding the brakes, one of the valves came off from the left rear.
It just kind of broke off.
Yeah, PB was underneath and messing up my car already. First day working on it. I mean, come on, dude. So, I'm going to run to O'Reilly's, grab a new one. We'll come back, start fixing that, working on it. So, I got to hurry. So, let's go.
It's all good.
But day one of working on the Miata, instead of race it, break it, fix it, repeat, we start directly off with fix it, break it, repeat. So, perfect start to the car. When we'll race it come into that, who knows. But PB's fixing his mistake. And so it turns out, get y'all turned around here. The caliper will need to be replaced. We managed to make a redneck fix for it for now, just to put it back up.
I wasn't going to mention that.
In the trailer. We mention it. But we have some work done on it. We got the master cylinder on. We started bleeding, had an issue when bleeding.
Well, we went through one cycle and still had an issue and came back to the left rear. And when we came back to the left rear, that's when we realized this was broken. It just popped out when you hit the brakes at one time.
In day 2, episode 2 of the Miata, we're going to have a new caliper, start with that, hopefully be able to sand it down. We are going, so now that I'm going to try to get this out before the first video, or the next video, we're going to an SCCA race at Daytona this coming weekend?
Yes.
This coming weekend. And what that's for is so I can see an event. I've gone to one SCCA event before, but I just want to see, I want to go race Daytona 2 at some point next year. So I want to be able to see kind of an event up close now that I know I'm going to be doing this stuff. And we're going to learn from some other people, hopefully, just going there to enjoy the event, get some info, and whenever we go to race, hopefully we'll be more prepared. So I said in the last clip, we were gonna wrap it up. We're not, we're gonna go ahead and fix it. We got another caliper in. So we're just gonna go ahead and finish up fixing the problem instead of just leaving you guys on a cliffhanger. So PB is working on it right now, getting it replaced since he broke it. So
I will fix it. What?
I don't know.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Oh.
This looks like a home video or something.
These are home videos. Is that my dog?
Okay, so brake.
Oh, sorry.
Is on there. I think.
You think? I know.
He knows, I think. We'll trust it. We are now going to bleed the brakes, which
Again.
me in the car, yes, again. So me in the car, him out laying on the ground. We're not going to be able to film this. You guys probably know how to bleed brakes. This is not a how-to channel anyways. What we do is
channel on some things. How to not go racing.
bingo. So yeah, I'm not sure where this will be in the video, but we'll bleed the brakes and then I'll let you know we bled the brakes.